In this video, we'll walk through exactly how the calendar and lesson scheduling system works, covering the process from both the teacher's and the student's perspective. First, let's look at the teacher's perspective. As a tutor, the first step is to visit the calendar page. Before you set your weekly availability, you must connect your Google Calendar. You will need to grant the necessary permissions so that the platform can have editing rights. Once connected, you'll see that all events from your Google Calendar are automatically reflected here. To set your available hours, go to Set Availability. You can define your available time slots in your own time zone by clicking and expanding a slot, or by dragging it around. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes. You can also easily add time off if you know you won't be available on a specific date. Simply select the date, choose Add Time Off, and specify a single day or a date range. For instance, you can select full day for a specific date. Conversely, you can add extra hours by selecting a single day or a date range, and then specifying a start and end time for your additional availability before hitting Save. Finally, if you're not using the default Google Meet link, you can use an external link, such as a Zoom link. Paste the link here and save it. This link will then be automatically included in all new calendar events you schedule. For now, we'll switch it back to Google Meet. Now that you've set your availability, let's look at how to schedule a lesson. Go to your list of students and select a specific student's card. Click Book Lesson. Here you'll select the date and the duration of the lesson, 1 hour or 2 hours. By default, the system respects the student's preferred weekly schedule. You can see the available slots that work for both of you. However, if necessary, you can check Ignore Student's Weekly Schedule to see all possible hours. Select a slot on the calendar. Once you've chosen the time, click Book Lesson and confirm it. The booked lesson will immediately appear on your calendar. If you refresh your Google Calendar, you will also see the event reflected there. From the student's card, you can always view the upcoming lesson and either cancel or reschedule it. When you cancel, both you and the student will receive an email confirmation. From the student's perspective, the process is similar. The student must go to their calendar and connect their personal calendar. Once done, their calendar events will start reflecting in their account. The system uses green spots to show when the student has set their availability. The student can set their weekly availability for recurring slots. For example, if you are available every day from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., you can set it like this. You can easily delete or recreate slots, perhaps setting a longer availability on weekends. Since this is connected with your actual calendar, once you save these changes, your availability is set in those green spots. Teachers will only be able to schedule lessons within these preferred slots, so it's important to keep your weekly availability updated. To book a lesson, go to your dashboard. In your Tutor tab, you can see a summary of your hours, how many you have available, scheduled, and completed. Click the Book a Lesson button. Since your availability is already set, you will now see all of your tutor's available times. Select a date, for example, Monday the 20th. You can then pick an available slot. You can also select a 2-hour slot if you prefer, and the available times will adjust accordingly. Once you've selected your time, click Book a Lesson. The lesson will instantly appear on your Google Calendar. You will also receive an email confirmation. To view it in your account, check Upcoming Lessons. From here, you can join the meeting or reschedule the lesson. Note that if you are too close to the lesson time, the options to reschedule or cancel may be disabled. Finally, just like the tutor, if you go to your Google Calendar, you will see the lesson scheduled at the exact time you wanted. For instance, on October 20th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. That covers how both teachers and students can schedule and manage lessons using the platform. We hope you found this video helpful.